Smart home technology is establishing a presence in our everyday lives. From simple thermostat comfort and energy efficiency to more elaborate security and home automation. But the question is, where to begin? With any new technology boom, there are always going to be several competing devices. Wouldn't it be great if there was just one device that had the capability to work with all devices? We'd like you to meet Swidget.
What better way to get your smart home started than with something as familiar as an outlet? Swidget is not an ordinary outlet. Installed using only the existing wiring in your home, Swidget provides you with an endless suite of inserts that allows you to tailor your needs to the technology you choose. This puts you in control, now and in the future. Here's how it works.
We built the Swidget outlet to have the same look and feel as a regular wall outlet. Alone, the Swidget outlet will work and operate as if it were a normal outlet. The real magic of the Swidget comes from the insert. The Swidget inserts are the pieces that can bring to life the smart home application you already love or have yet to imagine. Containing all of the smarts, the insert also connects to your smart home's network, whether it's Wi-Fi, Z-Wave, or any others.
Think of the Swidget outlet as the smartphone and the inserts as apps. The smartphone provides all the resources common to all apps, but doesn't do a lot on its own. But the millions of apps available on it enables the smartphone to do all the things we love. What happens when technology changes? What happens when your home changes? You can simply replace or rearrange inserts in a snap. There are a ton of great smart home products, and the intent of smart home technology is to make our lives easier. But easier shouldn't mean more clutter. Many current devices choose ease of installation over aesthetics. A nightlight doesn't need to stick out from your wall. A temperature sensor doesn't need to go on your dresser. A carbon monoxide sensor should be low to the ground. A motion sensor shouldn't be visible. An outlet should be controlled from within. This is why we created Swidget.
As early adopters of smart home technology, we see the confusion around multiple platforms and the rapid evolution of products. And it's not going away anytime soon. We want to solve that.
As we've been dreaming up all of the Swidget insert possibilities, we've realized that we can't and don't want to do it all alone. Swidget is a powerful platform that enables others to get into the ever-expanding smart home market or create an easy in-wall application for your existing smart home technology. We want to encourage and enable the development of inserts by others.
To make this process as easy as possible, we've created a development kit that allows anyone to develop inserts safely and easily. As part of the kit, we can provide the documentation, circuit board designs, and 3D solid models, which makes developing your own inserts simple. Our goal is to create a Swidget ecosystem without limitations.
Swidget has been our passion project for 2 years now, and we are ready to introduce it to you. We have completed our detailed designs and have generated our first prototypes for the outlet and several inserts. We've completed our pre-regulatory design review with an external group and have implemented all the updates requested to the product. We're excited to bring Swidget to Kickstarter. We're at a point in our process where we need to raise funds to help finalize production and get Swidget into your home as soon as possible. There's a useful application for everyone in the smart home space. Whether you are new and just getting started, or a veteran and looking to clean up your device clutter, Swidget is the solution. One device, all platforms, familiar and future capable.
3D printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing SparkMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. SparkMaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to SparkMaker with resin filled. Press the button and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status, and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters, with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. SparkMaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. And with the 5 types of color paste, you can print any color you want. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned by water directly. No matter you are an artist, designer, or hobbyist, you will be able to create high-quality 3D printed objects with SparkMaker. SparkMaker comes with a free and easy-to-use software to design your own objects, or you can just use existing 3D models from our library. We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We tap the top engineering, 3D printing, and industrial design talent to create SparkMaker. Our team has been working on 3D printer manufacturing for years, and we are confident to introduce SparkMaker to everybody to see what you will create with it. So join us, and let's start creating.
Time is precious. As someone with a lot on the go, you know how tough it is to eat good food. After all, we're always looking for opportunities to steal a moment. But why should you have to compromise your wallet and busy lifestyle to eat high-quality food? With the NiceWave Smart Sous Vide, you no longer have to. Finally, a more affordable Wi-Fi sous vide cooker that makes no compromises. Cooked the way gourmet restaurants have been for decades and create mouth-watering desserts, cocktails, appetizers, and entrees, without culinary experience, gourmet markups, or needless time in the kitchen. The precision cooking of the NiceWave brings the same perfect results to your home, and only the NiceWave lets you schedule the exact time your meal finishes cooking. For the first time ever, you can have your meals how you want, when you want. Control the NiceWave remotely with the mobile app, or if you prefer, use the manual controls. The Wave is compact and still packs a punch. And of course, it's water resistant because why wouldn't it be? Sous vide is a cooking method which precisely heats and controls the temperature of water to cook your desired meal perfectly. You'll never over or undercook your meal again, whether it's a well done or medium rare steak, buttery or flaky salmon, firm or runny eggs, or anything in between. The incredibly easy to use mobile app controls your Wave and makes cooking simple. Just search through hundreds of community driven recipes like vegetables, pork, beef, and much more. Sort based on the ingredients in your fridge or based on your dietary restrictions. Once you have found a recipe you want to cook, first, set your ideal doneness and tenderness, medium rare steak or tender, juicy chicken breast. Then, schedule your finish time, whether it's 6 p.m. after your job interview or right after your run. All our recipes are broken down into easy to follow steps. Once you place your food into any food grade bag, hit start, and forget it. The adaptive temperature system automatically takes care of the rest. First, temperature rises to bring your food to your desired doneness. Then, the temperature adjusts to maintain protein quality based on your ideal tenderness and when you'd like to eat. Finally, right before you come home, your food heats to its perfect serving temperature. And if plans change, just hit delay. Now you can free up your time for whatever comes your way. Once you get home, just give your food a quick sear or simply plate to serve. Rest assured, you will always return to delicious food right when you want it most. Scannable Nice Packs contain the exact portion of sauces and spices you need to make even complex dishes easy, perfect for those times you want to sit back and unwind. And when you're feeling adventurous, test out your culinary skills by creating and sharing recipes with the Nice community. You'll now have one less thing to worry about because the NiceWave ensures your meal will be perfect for when you need it to be perfect. Now you can make time for the things and people in your life who matter the most. After all, aren't we always looking for opportunities to steal a moment? Share culinary experiences to social media like Instagram from the Nice app, preserving that special memory. As more people cook, like, and rate your creations, your chef rankings go up. Our team has many years of experience in the industry and have built a high-quality product that will serve you now and in the future, so you can continue to create delicious gourmet meals for new friends and old friends. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a young hustler, or raising a family, we could all use a little more convenience. Take your friends on unrivaled culinary adventures and treat your family to nutritious, affordable meals. After all, we're always looking for opportunities to steal a moment. Our vision for the Nice Wave is to allow regular people to cook delicious, high-quality food without breaking the bank or sacrificing life's little moments. But now, Kickstarter, we need your help to make that vision a reality.
We spent over a year prototyping and developing the Nice Wave, the application, and all of the patented algorithms that go into it. Our team spans across the globe, from Toronto all the way to Beijing, and combined we have over 20 plus years of manufacturing experience. We've already manufactured sous vides before that restaurants use and love, and we want to bring that technology to you.
In order to begin production, we need to front the cost of tooling and injection molding. That's where you come in, Kickstarter. We've already negotiated the partnerships necessary for a speedy manufacturing and delivery process.
We have some amazing backer rewards so you can start sous videing the nice way. It's not just a great deal on the actual sous vide device, but we have kitchen accessories including vacuum sealers, reusable food grade bags, and beautiful ceramic knives for over 50% off retail.
To get the best prices, remember to back us early because they won't last long. The Nice Wave. We can't guarantee you'll fall in love because of it, but we know you'll fall in love with it.
Your kids. On the one hand, you know they have tremendous potential, and you're confident they'll have an incredible job in a developing market. On the other hand, they can enjoy eating an entire tube of toothpaste. When getting them a new toy, you want it to be fun because they're just kids, but you also want to develop their more intellectual side because they can't really eat paste for a living. Meet AlgoBricks. Smart coding blocks that teach your kids actual coding. It's a simple concept. Choose and build a robot, code it to do nearly anything, then press play and watch it go. Here's what's special about AlgoBricks. While there are many STEM products that teach your kid to think analytically, AlgoBricks does more than that. It teaches your kids how to actually code. To code a robot, your kid uses two types of bricks, functions and parameters. Just like in code. There are function blocks for sound, movement, and lights. Stacking parameters on top of functions creates the different actions. Big parameters for small children, and small ones for more complex commands. Here's a line of code that will make the Algo Cannon play music, move straight, then spin right while blinking its eyes in blue and red lights, then shoot balls for 6 seconds. Here's how that line would look in real code. AlgoBricks even helps your kids debug their code by lighting up what's currently running. Want to make it even more interesting? Add sensors to the bot to respond to sound, touch, distance, and light, and it all connects to an Arduino brain. With all these options, the possibilities are endless. Here's an AlgoBot that takes a bite every time you clap your hands. And this Ferris wheel starts spinning when you open its door. You don't have to invent your own activities. AlgoBricks comes with various activity boards and activity cards that will lead your kids step by step on the path to becoming a coder. Once your kid masters AlgoBricks, the transition to real code is a cinch. All you need to do is sit back, watch your kids expand their minds, and then clean up the carpet. Because after all, they're still kids. Now that sounds great, but you've heard about stuff like this before, and you know what happens. You buy a new toy, your kids get excited, then 5 minutes later, they're back on their tablet. Not with AlgoBricks. AlgoBricks is compatible with Lego bricks. Remember when you were a kid and couldn't stop playing with them? Now imagine if you could make anything you created make sounds, light up, and come to life. AlgoBricks was created by two people, Amir and Danny, both obsessed with education through games. Danny has a PhD in robotics, and Amir is an education tech entrepreneur and founder of Young Engineers, an educational network that teaches STEM in over 40 countries worldwide. Together, they want to take coding education to a whole new level. So if you want to bring out your kids' full potential and teach them how to actually code, get AlgoBricks. Your kids will have an incredible time and a bright future. AlgoBricks. Watch the tutorial videos on our campaign page to see what your kid will learn with
Hi everyone, I'm Brad, and this is Retro Ball. Retro Ball is a build-it-yourself electronics kit which even a beginner can make. It provides a lot of fun with up to 4 players on the screen at once and up to 5 balls at the same time. Let's have a bit of a look. Let's check out some gameplay. You can choose 2, 3 or 4 players on the screen, 1 ball easy, 1 ball hard, or 5 balls. Now the gameplay is really quite cool. You can actually spin the ball off in different directions at different speeds depending on how you hit it with the paddle. If you lose all your points, you're out of the game. 5 ball mode is absolute chaos. You start with 50 points. Again, if you lose them all, you're out of the game. Now on top of the Retro Ball game, I've got a secret hidden menu built in where you can access screensavers, a random dice, and some other little games and programs. Now on top of all of this, if you're a bit of a hacker, you can plug in your own Arduino Uno or compatible microcontroller, download the Adafruit library, and run your own experiments. Thanks very much for watching the video. If you like what you see, then I recommend become a backer. Get behind the Retro Ball project and get one to call your very own. Thanks again.